quilling products: sturdy, shiny, lustrous, waterproof and glossy? Yes, all of this in one video. Hey everyone, welcome to Pannu's Quilling Point. Yes, you are at perfect point watching me Pragnya on this handicrafty channel. Today's video is about the most asked question on all of my social media handles. Yes, I'm always active on Facebook, Insta and YouTube. So still, if you are not following me, do follow me there. The links are in the description. Hope to see you there. If you really like my video, please share my video with your handicrafty friends. It might help them as well. And if this video was helpful to you, please leave a comment and a like. It helps me to know that the video actually helped you. And if you want to stay connected with me, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for notification. So let's begin. After every quilling product I make sure that I follow this 3-step process. Number 1. Water and glue. I prefer Fevicol SH. This is the first step I do once I complete the complete quilling part of the product, that is before decorating the product, especially if I am making any jewelry or any accessory. I first make a mixture of Fevicol and water. First, take a little bit of Fevicol and 2-3 drops of water, mix it gently and thoroughly till it becomes a thin paste like liquid. I usually apply 2 to 3 coats of this liquid and let it dry for 3 to 4 hours. This makes the product sturdy. Number 2. Paper quilling varnish. After making the product sturdy, I apply 2 coats of this paper quilling varnish. I use this one. I bought it from a local craft shop. I use this one because it gives good shine and does not leave any white stain, whereas the one I used to use earlier used to leave white stain when the product is dry. Quick tip: use a flat brush while applying a plain coat and it also avoids bubbles. This makes the product shiny and lustrous. Number 3. Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. This is an important step while applying Mod Podge. Don't shake the bottle. This might give some bubbles and your product might not look good. If you want to buy this product, the link is in the description below. You can check out and buy for yourself. To apply Mod Podge on the product, take 2-3 drops of Mod Podge on any flat palette and use a flat brush. Apply it gently on the product. If by mistake there are any bubbles, then you can clear it out by using a paper pin or a toothpick. This makes your product waterproof and also it gives a classy 3D look, as you can see in my latest products. So I hope that this video was really helpful to you and clears all your doubt. Also, I hope that I was able to demonstrate each step very clearly. Still, if you have any doubts, you can mention those doubts in the comment section below, or else you can message me on Facebook, Insta or YouTube. If you're watching the video till now, then please don't forget to leave a like. So for now, thank you friends for watching my video and giving your valuable time. So see you in the next one.